In today's video, I'll be speaking about the Pomodoro Technique to help you be more productive. To use this technique, choose a single task you wish to complete. Set a 25-minute timer in which you're going to be focusing on this task. Make sure you have no distractions and you're fully focusing on this task. Then, when the timer has gone off, set a 5-minute timer in which you can relax, go to the toilet, refill your water bottle, or even play a mobile game. Repeat this for 3 times and then take a longer break. If the activity is not finished, you can repeat this cycle as many times to complete the task. This works really well because you help your brain identify that it's only going to be a fixed amount of time, and you're going to have less resistance to do it as you know how long it's going to take. I recommend sticking to the structure until you're fully confident with the technique. Then you can change it to fit your own needs like I do. I only use the first 25 minutes to focus and get into a flow state of work. Then I do not take any breaks and work for 1 or 2 hours. Then take a longer break. A very useful thing to have is a distractions list. Every time you get distracted or you remember something, just write it down so you can do it later. We sometimes remember something else we should be doing and ditch the activity we're doing right now. Every time you resist the temptation to engage with a distraction, you will be working your focus muscle, and therefore you'll be able to focus longer and longer and longer. When I started, I can only focus on a task for around 10 to 20 minutes, and now I'm okay focusing 2 hours straight on a single task. If you still feel like you're going to be distracted, I recommend you using the 20-second rule. With this rule, you're going to consciously delay any activity that's going to distract you. So for example, if you want to use Instagram, make sure to log out, so next time you're tempted to use it, you're going to have to log in, and therefore it's going to take longer to use. In this time, you should be able to realize that you're getting distracted and go back on your main task. When I started using this rule, I would get distracted by my Xbox. So what I would do is take the batteries out of the controller and hide them somewhere else. When I wanted to play, the controller didn't work and I knew I had to find the batteries. Because this would take longer, I would therefore have less resistance to do the task I needed to do first and then find the batteries and play Xbox. I hope this video helped you, and see you on the next one.